Hi, for today's video is how to use YouTube tag. Tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help followers find your content. Your video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important pieces of metadata for your video's discovery. These main pieces of info help viewers decide which videos to watch. Tags can be useful if the content of your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in your video's discovery. So what I'm going to do is go to the YouTube Studio. On the upper right corner of the screen, click that and click the YouTube Studio. You can also directly go to YouTube Studio app. Now, what I'm going to do here is press one sample of video and press the edit button up the upper right. Then, press the tags, category, comments, and more. Then here, add tags. You can add tag how to. You can add more tags. You can add more descriptive keywords so you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!